We're at the Guildhall in Poole today for a performance of my composition String Spektrum, part of the Light Up Poole Festival. So we're going to have about 80 guitarists playing this composition. It's made up out of 4 parts, and we've been running workshops in schools, teaching kids to play parts 1, 2 and 3, and they're going to be joining with pro players and amateur adult players as well, so players of all different ages coming together to play this composition.
It went very well. I think during the amount of concerts we did tonight, the more we did, the better we got.
It's good playing with somebody like Chris Woods. He's really good and he's very talented, and the way he was able to do it was really, really good. I think I learned what it was like to be in an orchestra. It was really fun and really good.
It was really good. I really enjoyed it, and I hope that I do it again.